Welcome back to my channel. Today our topic is thorny forests of the world. Now they are basically desert lands or barren lands where there is very little rainfall and very difficult conditions for the flora and the fauna. So you must have seen cactus and you must have seen the thorny forests and scrub like vegetation in some parts of India we find these forests. And also they have got very little plantations and most of the plants have got spikes and thorns. Okay, so that they do not lose moisture through transpiration. In these arid regions, the temperatures are very high because they are the tropical and the subtropical forests, and also the precipitation is low, which leads to harsh conditions for all kinds of vegetation. Here, the trees are very short, almost 10 meters of height, as they cannot grow too tall because of the lack of moisture and humidity in this region. These forests are natural vegetation or virgin vegetation which has not been disturbed by human interferences, and they are growing naturally in these regions. In India, these thorn forests are found in Rajasthan, dry regions of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, in dry parts of Punjab and Haryana. So the southwestern part of Africa comes under this category of dry thorny forest because of the dry conditions. Caatinga is the thorny forest of South America, which lies on the eastern part of Brazil, and these are the regions which are semi-arid and arid conditions. And Caatinga actually means, it is a Tupi word, which means it is a white vegetation or white forest because of its dry conditions. The vegetation of these regions and forests are basically trees having thorns and spikes. They are sharp and woody projections that protrudes from the stem of a plant. These are to protect the plants from various animals and also to prevent loss of water. The trees that grows are Acacia or Babool tree, Pallas tree, Mimosa tree, Bear tree, neem tree and other useful trees. Then there are sclerophyllous plants which have leathery leaves to reduce water loss through transpiration and also to absorb water. The fauna of these regions consist of animals like rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wild ass, horses, as well as camels. These animals are such which can survive in harsh and extreme climatic conditions of these regions, as the rainfall is extremely less than 70 centimeters annually and the average temperatures are 25 to 35 degrees centigrade.